Mpox, once a rare viral disease, has garnered significant attention in recent years. This infectious disease stems from the Mpox virus, a close relative of the smallpox virus. First identified in 1958 among research monkeys, Mpox remained primarily confined to certain regions of Africa for decades. However, the landscape changed in 2022, with a global outbreak sparking widespread concern. By understanding its characteristics, transmission and prevention methods, we can collectively work towards minimizing its impact. The following sections will delve deeper into the intricacies of Mpox, empowering you with the knowledge to safeguard your health and that of those around you. The Mpox virus, a member of the Poxviridae family, is a double-stranded DNA virus. This means its genetic material is contained within a double-stranded helix of DNA, encoding the instructions for viral replication. The virus particle itself, known as a virion, has a distinctive brick-like shape. It's relatively large compared to other viruses, measuring approximately 200 to 450 nanometers in diameter. The virion consists of several key components, including the DNA genome, a core protein, and an outer envelope studded with proteins. The outer envelope plays a crucial role in the virus's ability to infect cells. It contains proteins that bind to specific receptors on the surface of host cells, allowing the virus to attach and enter. Understanding the genetic makeup and structural components of the Mpox virus is essential for developing effective diagnostic tools, antiviral therapies, and vaccines. The Mpox virus embarks on a multi-stage journey to establish an infection within the human body. It enters through respiratory droplets, skin contact, or contaminated materials. Once inside, it targets cells lining the respiratory tract or skin. The viral DNA hijacks the cellular machinery to replicate. New virions bud from the cell or cause it to burst, spreading the infection. Section 4. Recognizing Mpox. Telltale signs and symptoms. Recognizing Mpox symptoms is crucial for early diagnosis and preventing transmission. The incubation period ranges from 5 to 21 days. A hallmark symptom is a distinctive rash. The rash starts as flat red lesions and progresses through stages. Lesions may resemble pimples or blisters filled with fluid. They crust over and scab before healing. The rash appears on the face, arms and legs and can spread. Other symptoms include fever, headache, muscle aches and swollen lymph nodes. Seek immediate medical attention if you suspect Mpox. Section 5. Mpox transmission. How does it spread? Understanding how Mpox spreads is paramount to curbing its transmission and protecting ourselves and others. The virus spreads through various routes, primarily through close contact with an infected individual or animal. Direct contact with the Mpox rash, scabs, or bodily fluids of an infected person is a primary mode of transmission. This can occur during intimate contact, such as hugging, kissing, or sexual activity. Respiratory secretions, such as saliva or mucus, can also harbor the virus. Prolonged face-to-face contact or close proximity to an infected person who is coughing or sneezing can facilitate transmission through respiratory droplets. Contact with contaminated materials is another potential route of transmission. This can include bedding, clothing, towels, or surfaces that have come into contact with an infected person's rash or bodily fluids, while less common transmission from animals to humans can occur. Section 6. Protecting yourself and others. Mpox prevention strategies. Prevention is key in the fight against Mpox. By adopting simple yet effective measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of transmission and protect ourselves and our communities. Practicing good hygiene is paramount. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after contact with someone who is sick or after touching potentially contaminated surfaces. If soap and water are not readily available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid close contact with individuals who have Mpox. This includes refraining from intimate contact, sharing bedding or towels, and prolonged face-to-face interactions. Vaccination is a powerful tool in preventing Mpox. Stay informed about Mpox in your area. Health authorities provide up-to-date information on outbreaks, transmission patterns and prevention strategies.